When we talk about micropenis, the definition depends on where we are trying to find it. At the end, there's some statistics in Europe that say that between 3 and 3.5 centimeters we can call the penis micropenis. The thing is that we don't have to say if the penis is micro or not. The thing is that we should solve the problem. We should try to make this patient be happier and enjoy as much as possible his sexual life. So, regardless the size of the penis, our goal is going to be the same, absolutely the same. Achieve the best penis we can for him. So, if we have a 3 centimeters penis or a 9 centimeters penis, we are going to try to do is to increase the length between 6 and 9 centimeters and the width between 2 and 3 centimeters. This is our goal and doesn't belong to how is the penis before the surgery. At the end, with the size we are going to have at the end of the surgery depends on your anatomy, but not the anatomy of the penis we are seeing, but the anatomy of the penis that is inside your body, because we are going to use this part of the body to increase the one we see. At the end, micropenis or not, is not a matter. It's the same as when patients ask me about phimosis or other surgeries. It's nothing for us. We are going to make the same procedure and to try to achieve the best result we can.